Good day. My name is Ikuba Oluwasegun, a junior level student of the Department of Actuarial Science and Insurance. We are Group 3 and we'll be talking about business information and technology, the enterprise architecture. In this video, we'll be seeing how business gets their information and use technology to formulate their enterprises, because architecture is a plan for business. It's either the current plan, the future plan, and the futuristic purpose of the business to meet the goals and the need of the business. In this video, my colleagues will be talking about the most important aspects of the business information technology and the architecture. Thank you.
Good day, sir. My name is Olamide Fabi from Group 3, and I'm talking about hardware devices. Now, hardware devices are devices that comprises of all physical components of a computer. Examples of hardware devices are scanners, monitors, etc. Now, hardware devices could be broken down into three or categorized into three. We have input, output, and processing devices. Input devices are devices that are used to send commands or information into the computer, and then which you can manipulate and control. Examples of input devices are scanners and sensors, keyboards, etc. Moving on to output devices. Output devices are devices that bring information out of the computer in form of visual, audio, or text. They also bring information in form of photocopy when we use a printer. Examples of output devices are monitors, scanners, and etc. Now, moving on to the last part, processing device. Processing devices are devices that are used to process information within a computer system. Some of the examples are CPU, transistors, and Morgan's law.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Oluwasegun. I'm a member of Group 3, and I'm here to talk about software. So, before we go to the type of software, we have to know what software is all about. So, they can refer as a component of computer that cannot be seen, but there are those parts of computer that gives instruction that actually makes the hardware works itself. And we have different type of software. We have the application software and we have the system software. Those application software are those set of software that we use to work, that helps the computer to work, or to use them to have fun. Those they do with video editing, they do with spreadsheets and word processing, things that we use to work and help the business to actually grow. So some organizations use those software applications to actually boost their business and also to do the accounting of their business and so on. So when we go to the system software have to do with those software that actually help this system to work itself. We have the utility software and system software, and we have the operating system software. So the system software actually is the main set of software that we actually use, because they have the operating systems and they have the utility software also. Because those utility software are those things that controls the computer as a whole. Without the system software, the application software can actually function very well, because it takes the commands of the system software for the application software to actually work. So that's all I was talking about on software. Thank you very much.
My name is Hassan Aditayo Rashid. I'm here to talk about network and network protocol. Network is a group of interconnections of computer devices such as computer, mobile phones, and printer. We have types of network. We have wired and wireless. Network bases. We have 6 types of network bases. We have personal area network, LAN area network, campus or corporate area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and global area network. Types of network. We have client, server, and peer-to-peer networking. The network protocol are of 3. We have Ethernet, TCP, and wireless. Thank you very much.
Good day, sir. My name is Ezekiel Femi James. I'm from the Department of Actuarial Science. Here today I'm talking about the enterprise architecture. I'm going to start from what it is. In basic terms, the enterprise architecture is talking about the business plan and strategy. So in further explanation, I'm going to be talking about is the blueprint or the plan that talks about taking the business from where it currently is, the current position, to where it wishes to be. And this is going to be the roadmap to use to get there. And the enterprise architecture consists of the business plan, technology architecture, data architecture and application architecture. Under the technology architecture, we're going to be talking about the hardware, this hardware it uses, the software, and the telecommunications mediums it's going to be using. So I'm going to talk about the importance. A business has to have an enterprise architecture because it needs to have it in order to minimize losses, to reduce mistakes, prevent mistakes, and to maximize profit as much as possible. I'm going to talk about the trends in enterprise architecture. Under the trends, we're going to be looking at the mainframe computers to microcomputers, also the client servers, the virtualization, and others like that. And in conclusion, I would say the enterprise architecture is needed in an organization to, in general, minimize losses, as I said earlier, to prevent mistakes and others like that. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Chinedu Henry, of the Department of Actuarial Science. I'm here to give the conclusive part of what my friends have just said. So, for the hardware components, we have the input device, the outputs, the central processing units, and the storage units. The input device transmits signals into information. We know the output devices are like our digital screens and all. The central processing units processes information, just like we said. Then we have the storage unit, which stores info. For the softwares, we have system softwares and application softwares. For the network, we have both wired and wireless. The enterprise architecture is just a blueprint for the organization, shows their current state, where they are heading to, and where they'll be in the future. Thank you.